Hi, I'm Scott Stork with Polaris Law Group in St. Charles, Missouri. We're an estate planning law firm and we create plans that work. One thing that a lot of people don't know is that family involvement in estate planning can be really important. We get asked a lot, how involved should a family be? What should they know? Things of that nature. So the reasons for that are numerous, but one of the biggest reasons is if you've never been through a loved one passing away. So if your spouse, your parents, something like that, when they pass away, the grief process is really difficult for families. And no matter what type of planning that has been done in leading up to that, it's always a surprise to families, and it becomes a really difficult thing for them to manage when they're grieving and already going through a very emotionally stressful situation. So what we want to do is, as much as possible, kind of give your family a roadmap of what things might look like while you're still alive. And the reason that is that no matter how you've planned, no matter what types of planning that you've done, the more that can be explained in advance, the easier it's going to be for your loved ones to manage at the end. So here in our law firm, we always do what's called a family meeting with the majority of our clients. And that's a meeting where we sit down with the family after we've created a plan. So the family's not involved up until the plan has been signed, put into place, typically. And then when we have that executed plan, we'll bring the family in and we'll talk to them. We'll talk about why it is that we planned, what to do in an emergency, who to contact, what type of professional resources are available. For our clients, or the majority of our clients, we're there to help the family and help them navigate that settlement issue after their parents or their spouse has passed away. And that can be very important because what we're looking to do is basically take off of their plate all of the legal stuff, because what families want to do or what they think they should do after a loved one's passed away is really to rush to really start making decisions right away. And when you're grieving, that's really the worst time to do it. So the whole goal of that is to take that portion off of their plate and really let them do the things that are necessary. What they should be doing is grieving, making the final arrangements, things like that. All of the stuff on the legal side about what type, what assets are out there, where should they go, how do we close an account, all these things that the family's worried about, they don't need to be worried about at that point. At some point, we will need some family involvement, but really that's something that professional help is going to help them navigate. And the more resources that they have at their disposal, the better. So that family meeting is really crucial in allowing us to kind of set expectations for them, to give them kind of the peace of mind that help is in place, that we're there to assist them, and to also maybe talk through some difficult issues. So as we tell all of our clients, really the things that hold families together a lot of times are mom and dad. And when mom and dad are gone, that's when those kind of family fights can start to rear their ugly head. The more that we can address those issues on who gets what and how they're getting them and things like that, the less likely those aspects of what to do with things after somebody's passed away are going to cause some of those other family issues to crop up. So family meetings and family involvement are really important. Here, you don't get that at a lot of law firms. Most law firms are very transactional. They don't have family, get the family together to involve the family. And for us, we want to involve the family up to what the client really wants and what they think is necessary. So we're a more holistic law firm. We try to make sure that we look at those issues and really address those so that your plan actually works the way that it's supposed to. So thank you for listening. If you'd like to sit down and schedule an appointment with us, please give us a call. Our number is 636-757-3850. You can visit our website, www.polarisplans.com, and we appreciate it. Thank you.